Way number 18. Do document translation. When businesses grow globally, they need to communicate with their customers in a language that their customer understands. Most of the businesses communicate with their customers in a written form, such as email, product usage guides, help tutorials, written blog content, and so on. In order to do this, they need people who can speak multiple languages and can effectively convert a document written in one language into another. As a document translator, your task will be to convert documents written in one language into another language. The most common example you must have seen is a phone usage guide you get when you buy a new phone. You must have observed that this guide has multiple versions written in multiple languages. This job is done by document translators. Almost anyone can do this with very less but mastered skills, which are ability to read and write and speak at least two or more languages fluently, ability to interpret the meaning of context with right understanding. Some tips to consider: set up your home office with a computer, internet connection, and with a recording headset. You will require this if you decide to participate in live conversations and convert documents online. Most of translation jobs are in Spanish, Japanese, Korean, Chinese, and French. How to get started? The best way to get started is to upload your resume and list your rates and services on translatorscafe.com. It contains a free online directory of translators and translation jobs. Another way is to register yourself with the following top websites. These sites will provide you translation jobs based on your expertise and abilities. The sites are Gango.com, Lingosource.com. Now, I will tell you expected earnings through document translation. You will earn about $12 per hour for translating normal documents and up to $40 per hour for translating technical or scientific content. So, what do you think? Does this method fits with you? If yes, then start it today. Best of luck.